After the oscillators and other raw sound sources are summed together, they are then processed through the filter section of the Ultranova. In subtractive synthesizers, filters are used to remove or subtract harmonics from the harmonically rich input. With two filters available in the Ultranova, we can shape the timbre of the input sound significantly through using various different filter types and routing configurations. In the filter pages, we can set the cutoff frequency and resonance of each filter, as expected. We can also adjust the amount of modulation provided from envelope 2, as well as the keyboard tracking. Under the filter type setting, we can choose from 4 low-pass slopes, 6 bandpass slopes, and 4 high-pass slopes. Note that the 6 decibel per octave filters do not allow for resonance, so these types effectively disable the resonance control. The next pair of control knobs allow us to set the amount of drive into each filter, as well as the drive type. These drive types consist of diode, which squares off the input waveform, valve, which is similar to diode, but can cause wave folding or inversion of sections of the input waveform, clipper, which simulates digital clipping, crossover, which simulates transistor crossover distortion as found in classic analog ladder filters, rectification, which will rectify the input signal, bits down, which decreases the bit resolution of the input digital signal, and rate down, which decreases the sampling rate of the input digital signal. The last parameter on the first filter page is Q normalization. This parameter adjusts the level of the filter's passband and can be used to emulate certain classic analog filters where, with increased resonance, the passband is lowered in level. On the next page, we can set some parameters common to both filters. The first control knob allows us to set the balance between the two filters, based upon how the two filters are routed. The filter routing parameter allows for complete bypassing of the filters. Filter 1 to be used. Both filters to be connected in series. 2 parallel modes, the first of which feeds all sources into both filters simultaneously. And the second feeding only oscillator 3 and the noise source to filter 1, whilst all other sources are fed to filter 2. Or drum mode, which is the same as the second parallel mode, but with the output of filter 1 fed to filter 2 as well. The next two parameters allow for the cutoff frequency and resonance controls of each filter to be linked together. The cutoff frequency control of filter 2 then becomes a filter spacing control for the second filter, if cutoff linking is turned on. The same applies for the resonance controls if resonance linking is turned on.